Okay, so Alex, I just saw this piece and it's kind of blown my mind a little. Apple, like the super secretive we do everything ourselves Apple, is actually going to be using Google Gemini for Siri? Is that even real?
Stella, it's totally real. And not just gonna be, it's actually happening like right now behind the scenes. According to Gurman, who's usually spot on with Apple leaks, a huge chunk of the new Siri experience, especially with iOS 16.4, will be running on Google Gemini models. And the kicker? Apple's going to keep it pretty hush-hush, not promoting that partnership at all.
Wait, hush, hush? So, like, users won't even, be aware? They'll just think it's all Apple's magic?
Exactly. Bloomberg's reporting that Apple absolutely won't promote the Google aspect. It's all going to be marketed as Apple's own, running on their servers with their super sleek UI. Gemini is just going to be the powerful, unseen brain filling in those tech gaps where Apple's own LLMs aren't quite, there yet. Pretty wild, huh?
Wow, that's really something. But okay, so privacy, right? I mean, Apple and Google have like totally different vibes when it comes to user data. How does that even work with our personal stuff? Like, what about my grocery lists or, private messages?
That's a critical question, Stella, and it's a huge part of the solution. The good news is Apple's been super clear. The custom Gemini models will operate on Apple's private cloud compute servers, so your privacy is totally preserved, no external data sharing. Things like find that recipe I saved last week, that super personal on-device data, that'll still be handled by Apple's own foundation models. It's a smart hybrid approach, really.
Oh, okay. So it's like Gemini for the really big general knowledge stuff, but Apple still keeps the personal bits close. That actually makes a lot more sense. So what's the actual like improvement we're going to see? What will Siri be able to like do better for us?
Well, for starters, no more of those frustrating "I found this on the web" answers all the time. Siri will finally be able to actually answer general knowledge questions, understand broader topics, and give you actual spoken summaries instead of just, links. It's designed to feel way more competent, like a real helpful assistant, not just a glorified search bar.
That's a huge relief, honestly. I think everyone's been waiting for Siri to, like, really catch up for a while now. So when can we expect to, see this in action? Is this something that's going to roll out with the new iPhone or like an iOS updates specifically?
We're looking at spring of next year, actually. It's expected alongside iOS 26.4, probably March or April. And get this, Apple's also prepping a new smart home display device leveraging these AI assistant capabilities. So it's not just your iPhone. It's about the whole ecosystem, really.
A new smart home display with a super smart Siri? That's pretty exciting. So it sounds like this deal is really about Apple just giving customers what they've been asking for, even if it means like a little behind the scenes help. You know what I mean?
Absolutely, Stella. Customers just want their iPhones to have the features they expect, right? They don't really care about the implementation details. This deal helps Apple ship those AI features they promised. It's a win for users. And for all you listeners, please like, share, and subscribe to Frank's World of AI, and visit franksworld.com for the latest AI news.